Hi everyone, I'm Adele Shank and this is my video regarding cloud computing. Today I'm going to be going over what the cloud is and how it works, the difference between public, private, community, and hybrid cloud systems, the different types of cloud computing for business use, and the pros and cons of using cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the process of storing and using all data and information from an outside source via the internet. In the past, people have stored information on a single computer hard drive and network. But with cloud computing, all the information is saved in the cloud at any time and any place. So what is the cloud? The cloud is essentially the internet that allows information and data to be saved by a third-party provider in a large data center away from the individual or company's computer. I chose this cartoon because it shows how people and companies can and will all save information in the cloud eventually. This technology allows for everything to be in just one place, and I think the silly joke could potentially be a reality in our future. I also chose this cartoon because it explains how the cloud saves information. It emphasizes how things are shared, like a home with a significant other. And it's also a very serious get-together to join cloud systems. So how does it work? Individuals and companies use the cloud very differently. Businesses usually purchase and use different types of cloud products for their specific needs. Individuals typically do not know the specifics of their cloud system. I chose this cartoon because it shows how people don't necessarily understand cloud computing, especially where it goes and where it's saved. Individuals are more likely to use the public cloud. It's available to anyone with internet connection. It is typically free of charge or offered at an extremely low price, usually just for extra storage. Examples are Google Drive, Microsoft 360, and Dropbox. Companies are more likely to use the following cloud systems. The private cloud is designed for a specific company, which grants access to the information and format only to them for their cloud use. Companies will also collaborate together to form community clouds so that information and data can be shared and worked with together through different companies. Hybrid clouds are a mixture of any of these other types of clouds. Businesses go even further with their specific needs in different cloud types. The first is software as a service, or SaaS clouds. This gives companies the least amount of freedom. This provides everything on the cloud and eliminates the need for other saved copies. This type is very compatible across all devices. Next, we have platform as a service, or PaaS clouds, that give companies a little bit more freedom than the software as a service. These clouds give the companies way more opportunities to create and save their own apps in their own cloud. Finally, there is infrastructure as a service cloud that allows companies to have servers, networks, storage in their own data centers for their cloud systems. Companies like Amazon and Google collect information in their cloud and allow their companies to rent space in their cloud. There are many pros to the cloud. Companies can save money by not buying expensive network systems and just using their own cloud. It also allows information to be saved in one place without using different applications, such as the difference between Word and PowerPoint. Everything can be done in the same network. It allows for more flexibility because it can be accessed from any device with internet connection, and it also allows for collaboration between others. In this cartoon, it shows how everyone, maybe even a biblical figure, can access the cloud from anywhere. It also emphasizes how the cloud can be accessed anywhere at any time, especially for very, very important things. While there's many positives to cloud computing, there are a couple of cons. To use the cloud, a user must have internet connection. Therefore, projects cannot be worked on in settings with no connections, which can cause problems when internet or power goes out or someone is traveling. For companies, Cloud servers providers could potentially offer only strict contracts with little room for flexibility or negotiation. Some cloud software will not have all the features and tools that non-cloud applications have as the systems are created. Finally, once a company has invested in one type of cloud software, it's difficult to change between cloud providers as the information and data are all saved with that one provider. I chose this cartoon because it shows how far the cloud could go in our future. It says, he isn't taking any calls right now, he's backing up his brain to the cloud. In the future, what won't be able to be backed up in the cloud? In conclusion, today I have talked about what the cloud is and how it works, the difference between public, private, community, and hybrid cloud systems, the different types of cloud computing businesses use, and the pros and cons of cloud computing. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you have any more questions about cloud computing, these are the sources that I use for my information. Thank you.